Hello world! My name is Yanis.
My name is Pedro.
And we are delighted to welcome you to Espressif DevCon 22.
This is the first Espressif conference made by developers for developers. We are broadcasting live from the lovely city of Brno in Czech Republic for this two-day online conference, which will bring to you content about products and solutions created by Espressif and its partners.
A nearly 6-month preparation is reaching its culmination with a truly rich program. We will present you more than 30 talks on such topics as Matter, Rainmaker, ESP-IDF, privilege separation, embedded Rust, component manager, board support packages, third-party frameworks, and more. We have loads of Espressif engineers who will deliver their presentations over the next couple of days, but we're also delighted to be hosting guest speakers from Microsoft, Arduino, Adafruit, Goliath, Walkwe, and Toit.
Now, let me give you a brief idea of the conference structure. The daily schedule of the conference is divided into 4 sections lasting 2 hours each. Every presentation is allocated a 30-minute slot, which will comprise a talk and a 5-minute Q&A session at the end of it. A 15-minute break will follow each 2-hour section at the end of each day. We will have a 15-minute general Q&A session for questions from the audience.
So, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, without further ado, let Espressif DevCon 22 begin. We will kick off our conference with none other than Espressif's founder and CEO, Teo Swee Ann, who is about to deliver his welcome speech from Espressif's headquarters in Shanghai. Teo Swee Ann needs no special introductions. He established Espressif in 2008, and his name has become synonymous with technological innovation ever since. It is always interesting to listen to what he has to say. So, Teo Swee Ann, over to you.
Everyone, I'm the CEO of Espressif Systems. My name is Teo Swee Ann. I warmly welcome all of you to Espressif's first Developers Conference. While this is our first Developers Conference, Espressif has had a very long and fruitful collaboration with the community all these years, starting all the way back from ESP 8066 since 2014. As AIoT encompasses so many different industries and domains, and is still rapidly evolving, innovation is of the highest priority. We believe in the developers and the community to drive this innovation forward with us. Our products and services reflect this philosophy through our easily available development boards, the documentation and specifications that you can obtain without signing an NDA, and open source software and tools. Espressif builds everything that is needed to create connected intelligent devices, from the connectivity chips, the modules, the SDK, to the cloud and everything that's in between. With the ESP32 series chipset, we provide microcontrollers with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and computational capabilities to address both edge AI and IoT applications. We have recently announced ESP32C6, ESP32H2, and ESP32C5 chipsets. They provide 802.15.4 radio for Thread and Zigbee, Wi-Fi 6, and dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support to provide more connectivity options. We also strongly believe that all connected devices out there need to have sufficient security. And we have certainly learned a lot from the community about this. You can use any of the ESP32 series chipset to build devices that users can trust. We are driving quite some innovation in affordable security of connected devices. Power consumption is also very important. We are continuously working to improve it to help you build devices that have a smaller carbon footprint and work towards creating a greener future. That you are attending this developers conference means that you probably are an IoT systems developer, not only using our chipset or hardware module, but also working with our open source operating system and software that we have built collaboratively. ESP-IDF is our open source operating system that powers all our ESP32 series chipsets. It currently runs on about 500 million devices out there. We have built multiple SDKs and frameworks that help with specific applications. For instance, you may have used ESP-ADF for audio applications development, ESP Jumpstart to learn step-by-step product development, ESP-80 or ESP Hosted to use Espressif chips as a communication processor, and ESP Box to try some of our other frameworks. We also have ESP Rainmaker, which helps you create your own IoT cloud platform, and ESP Insights service, which provides remote debug capabilities for your device. The upcoming Matter protocol is going to fuel further innovation for connected devices through their interoperability. Many companies and the community are working towards the goal of creating a high-quality implementation of the specification. Espressif is not just contributing to support Matter on our chips, but also actively contributing to the overall development. Espressif is about making engineers working with our solution more efficient, more creative, smarter, and more expressive, so that you can concentrate on developing your IoT application without having to reinvent the wheels, such as designing the hardware module, matching the antenna, clearing certification, setting up secure manufacturing, designing communication security, designing password provisioning, creating over-the-air firmware upgrade, creating a cloud backend to collect your data, or embedding diagnostics in your product, etc. In general, Espressif is about helping you develop good IoT products better and faster. Espressif engineers are in China, the Czech Republic, India, Brazil, and Singapore, where I'm from. Our engineers have prepared interesting sessions for this DevCon. These sessions cover many of the topics that I've touched upon here, and others. We hope we provide you with more insights into our product and about where we are going. And also, we value this opportunity to hear from you. We have always listened to our valued customers, developers, and the community. We cherish your feedback because Espressif is about creating products that you like. Thank you. Bye-bye.